Greetings everybody. So guess what I got in this package? Well, you probably already know because you saw it in the title. So let's open this up and see what it's all about. Okay, so I joined up for the early invitation to get this product. And I wanted to see what it's all about because I was curious about it. There's one thing in there that caught my eye because I already have a fitness band, which is my Wyze watch that I have right here. This is the GT2, which I will be doing a review on it, so stay tuned for that video coming up pretty soon. But in the meantime, we're going to open this right here that came in the mail. So two things that came in the package when I got it was an extra band and the watch itself. This is the Wyze Band, and this one was ordered the same time when I did the Wyze scale. So if you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and check it out. So the neat thing about this is without even actually ordering an extra one, they just go ahead and toss the extra band in there anyway. So they already got my attention right there when they said it included an extra band. But that's not what really caught my eye on this product. What really caught my eye is one feature on here that I like. You know, I like the smart home products. And it says it has built in, which is kind of amazing because most of these products is tethered to your phone. So even though they say they have the smart assistant capable, it doesn't mean that it's actually in this device. It means that it works off the app on your phone. But according to Wyze, it is built into this device. So we're going to test it. I'm probably not going to do it in this video. I'm going to do some testing first, and then I'm going to come back and report my findings once I really go through this product. So in this video, I'm just going to do an overview to let you know what the product is all about and what it's capable of. And then I'm going to put it through its paces for the next few days, probably 7 days, just to give it enough time to really go through it. And then I'm gonna come back with a report to let you know what it's all about. So let's review the features of this product. So on the left side of the box, it said it can controls Wyze devices, which means the cameras and lights and stuff like that. And then it says it has built in. And the last item featured on the left side of the box, it says it's waterproof. Now if we flip it over to the other side, it has some more features, which means you can customize the screen, and it has activity and heart rate tracking and a phone finder. So those are the 6 highlighted features that they put on the outside to let you know what this thing is capable of. So some of the specification that I'm looking at on the back, it says that the screen is AMOLED color, it has Bluetooth 5.0, and it's compatible with Android and iPhone. And that's the good thing I like about these third-party products. They usually work with both devices, so you don't have to be stuck in one world, unlike the Apple Watch. So it says the Wyze Band is a smart home assistant and activity tracker, and that's what it looks like. And of course, it's rechargeable, so I'm not sure how long it lasts. I gotta do a little research on it, but that will be in my report when I come back and tell you about this product after I put it through its test. So let's open it up and see what's on the inside. Okay, so we got some paperwork on the inside, a quick start guide. Put that over there. We got a sticker that came in the box. It says it's backed by Wyze Band. And there is the actual band itself. The band actually has the punch hole feature, so you know, you take the little tab and put it into the hole, and that's how it snaps in place. Unlike the clip right here that mine snaps onto where it comes with the hook. And at the bottom of the box, we got the charger. So it's a regular USB charger. Doesn't come with any power adapter, so you have to plug it into some type of USB port. But then it clips on just like this, snaps in place. And yep, right there. So it snaps on just like that. You plug it into a USB output, and that's going to charge the device. Now it says charge to activate. So I guess we won't be able to put it through its test today because apparently it might not be charged according to the label that came on the top. Okay, so this is what's coming in the box if you're going to get this thing. It looks like it has a microphone on the side because I see 2 holes right there. I'm not sure if they're speaker holes. They more look like microphones, so I'm not sure what kind of sound it permits. It probably vibrates, it'll let me know when certain things is happening. So I'm going to put it through its paces because this video was basically to let you know that I got the band and just to show you what comes in the box. So in the next video on this product, I'm going to show you when it's fully charged, the setup procedure that I had to go through to get it connected to the app. So stay tuned for my report, because I'm gonna battle test it. I'm gonna get it wet. I'm gonna put it through all the features that it claims it can handle and see how well it works. I'm really interested about the smart home feature part, the voice assistant that's built in, according to Wyze. Because if it works, that'll be great, because now I will have the voice assistant right there on my wrist. I don't have to worry about blasting out command across the room. So I really want to test that out to see how well that smart assistant that's claimed to be built into this, how well it works. I'm gonna see how well it tracks activity for the next 7 days. That way I can give you my honest report of how this thing really works, and if it's worth the $24.99 that Wyze is selling it for, which is mighty low cost. But it might not be a low cost band as far as the feature, because the value of it might be worth more than just what it costs as far as the sticker price. But you'll see when I do my follow-up video on this Wyze Band. So make sure you stay tuned by subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Until then, stay safe, have a good one, and I'll see you next time.